guys, this is Kay from AKA, and today is the day we've all been waiting for. IKON's debut officially. Because apparently for them, even if they come out with a song, it's technically not a debut. And I'm fine with that, because that last one was just a warm-up for me. I'm waiting for this hardcore song, but I am going to start with Airplane. I apologize for the late reaction, guys. I did have school until 8 p.m. today. I did not get home. So I can't wait to see my bias, Chanwoo, and like B.I. and Bobby and everybody. IKON's Airplane. Airplane. Oh, would you look at that? An airplane. Oh! Whose voice is that? Oh, look at Bobby. You can't see his eyes. Oh! Oh, look at B.I. Oh, that's B.I. Okay. You go, honey. But wait, like, oh, look at Bobby. Oh my god, B.I. looks so adorable. Oh, look, Bobby, you can't just, Bobby. Oh, those vocals. Yes. Oh, is that little thing the same one they did like for EXO, the little "Are you serious" thing? That was in like another thing. Those contact lenses. Guys, where's Chanwoo? I can't see him anywhere. Oh, Chanwoo, I saw him. He's so cute. Yes. Yes. Chanwoo. Chanwoo trying to look like hardcore. Oh. Yes. But why isn't this a hardcore song? Oh my god, B.I. I love it when B.I. has his hair like swooped. There, like that. I love how the same way that like Bobby gets in between B.I. and the girl, B.I. gets in between Bobby and the girl. That's cute. Aw, he's jealous. I really like that they're showing the other members, except for Chanwoo. Oh, yes. Is she just playing with a paper airplane in the back? Oh, his voice. Yes. Wait, where's she going? Oh, she has a ticket to a plane to go somewhere else. Oh, look, she's leaving. Oh no, B.I. is going. Oh no, B.I. is gonna be there. B.I. has been with her since the beginning. No. Oh, you better hurry up. Oh my god, watch Bobby be there instead. No, she's leaving. Oh no, he didn't make it in time. Oh, he's just in the airplane. Oh, it's the same scene from the beginning. Oh, wow. Oh, I still like that icon. IKON's icon, ha. Okay, and I'm ready for the next music video, which is the hardcore one. I'm ready, I'm so ready. That's why I wore this. I want to like get in the theme. Either way, oh my god, that hit me in the feels, in the feelings. Like, how could you just leave B.I. hanging like that? Like, gosh. So, I completely enjoyed this song. I actually like it more than the song beforehand. The song beforehand I felt was a little, it's a warm-up. It's a warm-up, and I think this one's a better warm-up. Where's Chanwoo in this music video? Chanwoo's my bias, but you know, I haven't seen him. I saw him for 3 seconds. He sung like half a line, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction. Look out for my next reaction because I can't wait for them to go hardcore. Yes, okay, ready? And they're not done yet. We have a whole album, guys. A whole album. We've waited long enough. We deserve that whole album, to be honest. So, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction. This is Kay from AKA, signing off.